This tutorial is for 2nd grade, Module 3, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're going to continue looking at skip counting, and we're going to focus on using an efficient method, meaning every time we hit a number that is a multiple of 10, we're going to start skip counting by 10. And then if we hit a number that is a multiple of 100, we'll start skip counting by 100. Here's an example. The directions say to count by ones, tens, and 100s from 476 to 600. So since 476 is not what we would consider a friendly number, I'm going to start by skip counting by ones. So I would have 477, 478, 479, 480. Now that's a friendly number because it's a multiple of 10, which means I'm now going to start skip counting by 10. 10 more than 480 would be 490. 10 more than that would be 500, which is another friendly number because it's a multiple of 100. That means I'm going to change and start skip counting by 100. I'm at 500. 100 more than that would be 600. And I can stop there because the directions say to count from 476 to 600. So again, we started by counting by ones, then we skipped and started counting by tens, and then from there we counted by 100. That gets us from 476 to 600 much faster. Here's another example. This time we're going to start at 47 and count to 200. I'll start by counting by ones, 47, 48, 49, 50. From 50, I'm going to count by tens, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And from 100, I'm going to count by 100s. That takes me right to 200. So we've skip counted from 47 to 200, counting first by ones, and then by tens, and finally by 100s. Here we're counting from 188 to 510 using the same process, but you'll see how it's a little different at the end. So I'll start by counting by ones. I have 188, 189, 190. I'm going to start counting by tens from 190. That brings me to 200. Now I'm going to count by 100s. Next number would be 300, 400, 500. But we need to count to the number 510. So once I hit 500, I'm going to just count by tens to get me to that final number of 510. We'll follow a similar process as we count from 389 to 801. Starting by counting by ones, we have 389, 390, then I'm going to count by 10 to get me to 400, which allows me to count by 100s. I would have 500, 600, 700, 800, and since I need to stop at 801, I will just count by ones here. 801 would be my next number. So these problems allow the students to be flexible in their skip counting strategies.